Hello everyone and welcome to another YouTube video. We can finally jailbreak our PS4 up to version 12.52 using the Blu-ray method. So today I bring you a tutorial that is pretty easy. So let's get started. All we have to do is go to the first pinned comment to download the ISO, which is called handloader.lp.iso, and once we have it downloaded, everything we need to do is simple. Note, this method only works with the Blu-ray method, so it will not work with DVD or CD. With the ISO downloaded, right-click it and choose Burn Disk Image, then burn it to our Blu-ray burner. If you don't have a Blu-ray burner, I also leave a link to an external Blu-ray burner on Amazon. Once the ISO image is burned to our Blu-ray disc, all we have to do is insert the disc into our PS4 and wait for the image called handloader.lp to load, then run it. When the purple screen with text appears, just press the X button and Goldhand will load. That way our console will finally be jailbreak, so we can enjoy many homebrew apps and free games, from version 9.0 up to version 12.52 of our consoles. Alright everyone, I'm leaving. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel, because that helps me keep uploading quality content for you, and don't forget to hit the bell so you'll be notified for all of the videos I upload. So that's it folks, I'm saying goodbye to all of you, see you next time, bye bye!